Hey everyone, don't go away. Today you're finding me obviously in my carport, and I'm going to try and fix a planer that is not running right. This is the planer I was talking about that was given to me. I want to try and do a little woodworking this summer. My hope is that I get either some kind of bus or van to convert. So when I first turned it on, I had to try and get it started by turning this, not having much success, and I thought that the motor itself might have an issue. However, once I take the belt off, I'll show you how easily that comes on. That runs really good. So once I managed to get the belt off, which I already have done, and this part here, which does the planing, I felt this actually is pretty stiff. I'm going to get my air compressor. I'm going to get a little bit of oil to put down in here to see if I can get that to run a little bit more smoothly. Right, so I've got my air compressor hooked up. I don't know how long it's been since the last time this has been run, which is part of the issue. So it's going to get a little noisy here while I clean this out. What I'm going to try next is I just realized either I don't have or I can't find my regular oil can to squirt some oil on the part. So I'm just going to use this just to see if this will temporarily loosen it up. And I'm already feeling a big difference. So what I really need to do is get the oil in a proper oiling can to get that in there and work that in. Let's take this off now. So I have my oil, nothing special. I just grabbed something from the shelf real quick. What I'll do is I'll have links I'll put in the description below. And since I don't have my oiling can, at best what I can do right now is just get the screwdriver all gummed up here and let that oil drip down in. See if it will work its way in there. Alright, so the next step, I'm not going to put that outer piece back on yet. Alright, so next I'm going to put the belt back on. We're going to plug it in and see what happens. The belt's going to be the fun part. I'll put this here. And I think I won't be able to see, but I'm going to put the smaller part on the top. That makes it a lot easier. Alright. Alright, so let's try that out. Let's see what happens. I'm going to cross my fingers. Get this to slide back on there. Alright, let's move this here, get a little bit better view. There we go. I think that will do it pretty good. So before, where this would not turn at all, and I'm not even going to run this whole strip through. I just want to see how this does because I can feel it, catching on there. So I'm going to see how this works. clearly I need to get better at this. But where it wouldn't turn at all before, now that's just doing an awesome job. And this probably wasn't the best wood to use because it was already smooth. So what I really need to do next time is find something that's rough that I can smooth out and do a little bit better, maybe follow-up video. Alright, so I hope you liked this video. If you didn't find it educational, maybe at least entertaining. If you have any tips or tricks, because I'm new to this as far as fixing stuff like this and using it, definitely let me know. Leave comments. Again, look in the description. You'll find links there for any products I may have used in working on this to get it going. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, share, and don't forget, when you subscribe, you'll be notified of the next video coming up.